Using the soft pads of your fingertips, begin at the top of your forehead. Lightly tap in a rhythmic motion, moving down to the temples, across the cheekbones, along with the jawline. Finish by tapping down the sides of the neck towards the collarbone. Tapping increases local blood circulation, bringing a rush of oxygen and nutrients to the skin surface. By moving from the forehead down to the neck, you are directing excess fluid towards the lymph nodes to be drained. Create a V shape with your index and middle fingers like a pair of scissors. Place your index finger in front of ear and your middle finger behind it so ear is nestled right in the V. Apply firm pressure against the skin. Slide your fingers up and down quickly. By releasing the fascia around the ears, you reduce the pull on your cheeks and jawline. Helps the skin to sit more smoothly over the bone structure. Place the pads of your fingers on the center of your forehead with your fingertips pointing toward each other and slightly spread out. Apply firm, steady pressure. Slowly slide your fingers outward, pulling the skin toward your temple. Lift your hands, return to the center. Repeat the motion. Inhale as you place your fingers and exhale as you sweep outward to release tension. Do this 10 times. Frontalis is the large muscle that lifts your eyebrow. When it's chronically tight, it creates horizontal wrinkles. This massage encourages the muscle fiber to lengthen and relax. Hook your index finger over your eyebrow. Place your thumb on your upper cheekbone, forming a C. Gently pull the skin taut to lock the muscle in place. While holding this light resistance, blink your eyes slowly and firmly 5 to 10 times. It flashes fluid built up and morning bags under the eyes. Straighten the orbicularis oculi muscle to prevent dropping. It increases blood flow to reduce the appearance of dark circle. It trains the forehead and brow muscle to stay elevated. It smooths the fine lines at the outer corners of the eyes. Now vigorously rub your palms together for 10 seconds until you feel a strong heat building up. Cup your warm palm over your closed eyes, ensuring no light gets in. Without pressing directly on the eyeball, breathe deeply, feeling the warmth sink in, then slowly release. Rub your palms together vigorously to generate intense heat. Instead of touching your skin, hover your palms about 1 to 2 inches away from your face. Slowly move your hands from your forehead down over your cheeks toward your neck, feeling the warmth radiate onto your skin like a heat wave. Do this 3 times. It's slow, fluid, intentional Tai Chi style. It provides the benefits of heat without irritating sensitive or acne-prone skin. The non-touch warmth encourages blood flow without the friction that causes flushing. Fill your mouth with a large breath of air until your cheeks are fully distended. Press your lips firmly together to lock the air in. Slowly push the air ball from your left cheek to the right cheek, then under your upper lip and then down to your lower lip. Repeat 5 to 10 times. Straighten the buccinator muscle for fuller, firmer cheeks. Tones the midface to lift the skin and prevent saggy jaws. It softens deep folds, the nasolabial lines around the mouth. Stretches the skin from the inside out to keep it supple. It brings a rush of oxygen to the face for a healthy glow. Drop your jaw to create a long narrow O shape with your mouth. Pull your upper and lower lips tightly over your teeth to hide them completely. While maintaining this stretch, shift your gaze upward toward the ceiling without moving your head or wrinkling your forehead. Hold this 10 seconds and while breathing deeply, and you can repeat this. It lengthens and smooths the nasolabial folds around the mouth. It provides a deep stretch that tones the entire vertical structure of the face. Start with your head center, turn your chin toward your right shoulder and then gently tilt your head back as if you are looking at the top corner of the room. Feel the deep stretch from your jaw down to your collarbone. Hold for 10 seconds and repeat on the left side. It gently press the tongue against the roof of your mouth during the tilt to intensify the lift. It firms the platysma muscle to reduce the look of a double chin. It stretches the skin to minimize horizontal neck rings. It promotes drainage from the face down toward the collarbone. Grab the middle of both outer ears cartilage with your thumb and index finger. Gently pull them straight outward, slightly back. While holding the tension, drop your jaw into a long form O shape, tucking your lips over your teeth. Hold for 10 seconds, release and repeat. Keep your shoulder down, relax to ensure the stretch stay in the face. It sculpts the cheekbone. Pull the cheek muscle taut, helping to define the mid-face area.